How to make commission on TikTok shop. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this you will have to open up the affiliates of TikTok shop, and after that you need to join it up in order to get the commissions, and commissions will be paid out automatically when you make a sale. So all you have to do is just register as a seller or a creator. In case if you want to register as a seller, you would have to log into TikTok shop seller center, and after that select the option of affiliate, then select the option of get started on the left hand side menu, and after that you need to set up the collaborations in order to reach more buyers. After joining up the affiliate, you would be able to add the links to your videos and you would be able to sell products and get the commissions for it. Now if you want to join it up as a creator, then you would have to get the permission in order to sell the products, and you would be getting these permissions from the owner of that particular product. You need to add the contact information, add products that you want to sell, and you can also get the samples, and after that you can sell that particular product on your content. And this is how this all works. All you have to do is just get the permissions when you are signing up as a creator, because it is quite important, otherwise you can get into a legal problem. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.